Welcome to our cuisine. Today I'm going to be making a fish meatball. We call it fuleg bantu. So you need a whitey. This is the whitey, and this is the bone of the whitey, and this is two lemon, one onions, and this is a blender. You need a blender, and this is basil. Basil can make the fish smell so nice. So this is the season. I'm going to use my chicken season, my Maggi, and the peanut butter. So what you're gonna do, you're gonna put everything, and you're gonna take the fish, because you need to make sure you remove all the excess water on the fish. Okay, I just put the fish in the blender, and this is the basil leaf. So I'm gonna add some basil leaf, and I'm gonna add 3 big spoon of this peanut butter. This is peanut butter, any kind of brand you get. Okay, so you're gonna add 3 or 4, because you just want to make sure you put the peanut butter very well, because everything needs to be like when you're making the bowl, you need to make sure everything is nice and sticky, so the peanut butter can help you to do that. Okay, so I'm gonna add the peanut butter, and I'm gonna add the seasoning and 1 pepper, and I'm gonna show you guys later when I finish doing that. Okay, so I just finished blended the fish, everything, and this and the bones, and I season the bones too. Your meat the fish you need to season the meat very well, because it's very tasty. You need to try it in your mouth and taste it. And now I'm gonna make the meatball out of it now. So after doing the meatball, I'm gonna show you guys that too. Okay, this is the finished product of my meatball. So I already make my meatball. This is how the meatball is supposed to be like. So what I did now, so I put the pot, this is the pot. I put the pot, and this is the lid. You're supposed to put like a lid bigger than, this is the pot, and you're supposed to make sure you find the lid like a little bit smaller than the pot. So you put like a water, like a regular water, when you put water, you make sure it's boiling. The water is boiling now. So now I put the bone under it. You see the bone is under it. So now I'm putting the meatball now on top of the lid. So this is how it's supposed to be like, you see. So I'm gonna put all the meatballs. So you see the water is boiling. You see the water is, this is a lid, another pot. This is another pot lid. So I make sure the water is boiling under there, and now I start adding the meatball on top of it now. So yeah, see now. Okay, so I just finished doing that. So you see now I'm gonna cover it, so it's gonna steam. You need to make sure you steam it. That's all that you need to do, steam the food. So you guys see now it's boiling now, but I have like the lid under it. So I just wanna, so I had the lid under it, so it's boiling, very boiling. Like this same water, I'm gonna remove this water, because this water got all the goodies. This water got all the tasty fish. So I'm going to remove this water, put it inside another pot like this, like a sauce pot. So I'm going to show you guys that, okay, what to do with that. And it's looking good already. So now it's time to remove the water and put it in another pot. So I'm going to do that right now. Okay, so what I just did now, so I just remove some water. This is the water. This is gonna be the sauce water. So I'm gonna put some hot pepper, Maggi. When the water boils, I'm gonna add the lemon. So I'm gonna show you guys later. Okay, so now I'm gonna add. So I already put it in low like a 4, because it was a 9 high. So now it's in low now. So I'm gonna add some fresh onions. I did not add much right now because my husband loves like a really fresh onions. He don't like the cooked one, so I just had a little bit of that. So I'm gonna start making the sauce right now. So now I'm starting making the sauce. So what I'm gonna do, this is 3 hot pepper. I'm gonna add the hot pepper to it. We call it sukura. Sukura is a leaf, like it smells very good. Let me remember the name of it. I just forgot the name right there. Trust me. And it smells very good. And I just add some of those leaves. So I'm gonna add 1 Maggi, and after when they boil, I'm gonna add the 2 lemon. Okay, this is the sauce. So it was boiled. I just removed the pot. So what I'm gonna do, this is a Maggi, this small. Okay, so now it's boiling. So I'm gonna add the Maggi to it. This is a Maggi, like the Maggi I always cook with. This is a smaller version of it. So I'm gonna add 2 and the 1 chicken, the American ones. So I'm gonna put 3, and I'm gonna add already add hot pepper, and so I'm gonna add the Maggi now. Sorry about this stuff, for real. Okay, the leaf I was talking about, that was basil. I forgot the name of basil. So I cut the basil in little pieces and put the basil, because when you put basil on food, it smells so good. Like any soup you cook, you put basil inside the soup, it gives you that beautiful aroma to it. Please, anytime you're cooking soup, add some that leaf. It smells so good. Okay, this is my final product. So the meatball is ready. So I turn the stove off, and this is the sauce. The sauce is ready. So what do you need to do? You're gonna take a bowl. Okay, this is the final product. So now what I did, I cut some onions, and this is for the one my husband gonna be eating. So I put some in a little bowl. So this is the sauce, the one I made. So you're gonna put the sauce on top of it, just like this. The soup, well, like the little soup. So just like this, and you're gonna put some onions like this on top of it, just like that, and voila. Bon appetit. So thank you for watching our cuisine. Please go and subscribe, and press the button under the subscribe under the thing. You're gonna see subscribe, and you subscribe, okay? Please. I love you guys. See you guys another time. Love you.